Welcome to the assembly video for your Broil King gas grill. Please use this video as a companion to your assembly manual. Now let's get started. You will need the following tools to assemble your Broil King barbecue. Before starting, unpack all of the components for your barbecue and lay them out in your workspace. Use a pan or bowl to hold the contents of the hardware bag. Step 1. Remove the legs from the retainer tabs on the underside of the chassis. As you remove them, insert the legs into their respective holes by pressing the leg clips. Step 2. Set the barbecue on its legs. Step 3. Install the battery into the igniter with the positive terminal facing out. Secure the igniter cap to the igniter. Step 4. Install the control knobs with the indicator in the 12 o'clock off position. Step 5. Insert the screw provided through the hole at the front of the top casting. Place the bezel over top of the screw, followed by the handle. Step 6. Install the top casting onto the bottom casting and align the holes at the back of the barbecue. Insert the hinge pins through the lids and secure them with lid pins. Insert the flavor waves. Make sure to insert the wire retainers through the respective holes in the flavor waves to secure them in place. Insert the cooking grid. Insert the warming rack. Step 7. Install the tank retainer on the left legs of the barbecue. Place your propane tank within the retainer and connect it to the hose and regulator. Step 8. Pull up the side shelves into a flat position. Step 9. Insert the grease tray underneath the casting bottom from the back of the barbecue. Step 10. Close the barbecue and secure the top and bottom castings with the lid pins located behind the side shelves. Transport and storage. Depress the side shelves. Detach the propane assembly, and make sure the lid pins are securing the top and bottom castings. Set the barbecue on its side and remove the legs from the body by depressing the leg clips and pulling out. Stow the legs on the retainer tabs on the underside of the chassis. You are now ready to take your Porta barbecue on the road. Please visit BroilKingBarbecue.com today and click on the link. It's quick and easy. We'll provide you with the very best in customer support, recipe ideas, informative videos, grilling tips, and much more.